guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am very excited. I just got this from YouTube. Wow, I am very excited to open the package, and this is the first time that I will receive, aside from Google AdSense that YouTube sent me before. This is my second time receiving a gift from YouTube. I can't wait to open. And let's see, there's something bulky inside, and it's a little heavier. Not too heavy, but I am very excited. Thank you so much again, YouTube, for this. Wow! Oh my God, my fruit of labor. It's finally here. Actually, I really don't have an idea what's inside. Naraman lagi ninyo. Dig. Dig. Actually, I don't have an idea what's really inside of this box, but time for us to watch for it. But first, I have to do the live stream so that my viewers will see it personally. No, not personally, but see it on live. See, I told you, ikaw rin yung nakuha na. Go. There you go. Hello everyone. It's been a long night. Yes, it's been a week since I had my last live stream. By the way, how are you everyone? Since I am so sorry for not doing live stream for the past week. It's just that Lucian is very busy, and as you can see in my video that I am very busy sitting there. No, not just sitting, just I do the video if I have a vacant time, but every time I post or stop the video, I'll go inside the class because we're not allowed to do a video inside the class while we are discussing. So that's why I am very happy, everyone. Look, I got a gift from YouTube. Thank you. I love 2026. I really love this year. Since day one of January, since day one in 2026, I feel like I am so lucky. I am so lucky this year. And I can't imagine, I mean, yeah, I didn't expect that I would receive a gift from YouTube. Yay! And of course, because I got this gift from YouTube because of your support. And thank you so much everyone for always supporting Lucian all through this day. Even though my friends were not able to join my videos, or you can even see my friends and my videos because, you know, we were assigned to different school. But then I got you know what, guys? The moment that my Marino told me that I got a gift from YouTube, oh my God, I always say I wish this time will be over. This day will be over so that I can go home early. I really want to go home early because I am very excited to open this one. It's so nice. Hello, where's Ab? Where's Deb? Where's Corey? Where's everybody? Where's David? I hope they're watching this video. Hello, give a thumbs up for this live stream, everyone. This is what I get for not doing live stream every day. I got 2 viewers, but that's fine. I completely understand that. Oh my God, that's so nice. Look at it, it's very amazing. What is this? Oh God, YouTube, I YouTube. Oh, thank you so much, John, for being a member of this channel. Thank you so much, John. And look what I got from YouTube. Oh my God, it's so nice. Thank you so much. Okay, Jen, thank you so much for being part of the membership, and hope you like all the videos for the members only. Thank you so much. Please, you can watch it first. Oh! Wow! I've got the tumbler! Oh, thank you so much, YouTube, for this! Yay! Oh, and I got a cup from YouTube. Oh, this one, I think, oh, for my ID holder! Wow! Thank you so much! Oh my god! It's so nice. I'm not going to throw the box. Let go! Thank you so much again, YouTube. I got a girl. I don't know. Thank you so much again, YouTube. This is from the YouTube Shorts. I think I have passed the YouTube Shorts category, and I was able to be part of those members that who can receive a gift from Shorts. And look, everyone, I love the tumbler. Oh my god. I love it very much. Thank you so much, Mercy. I got the cup. La 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 la. See? I'm so happy. Now I have my ID holder. Not time for me to change this thing since as I think YouTube was watching my videos every day. Says, look at my ID. It's broken already. So it needs a replacement. So what should I do? You know what to do.
Post Facebook din.
Ha?
Post Facebook.
Post. Ayoko kay mo.
Ano naman?
Ito channel.
Wala lagi ko sa Facebook.
Ha?
Wala lagi ko sa Facebook.
Ha?
Wala lagi channel sa Facebook.
Oh. This girl. So I'm gonna put my ID in here. Yes, if Corey is watching, or David or Corey or Jeff are watching, they will be very happy. And of course, Corey, Jeff, Absiden will be throwing a lot of support from me. They will be throwing lots of super chats to congratulate me. That's how they congratulate me. They are sending me so much of super chat. I think it's a travel bag tag. I think it's a bag tag, but I can use this one as my, ID. I prefer that way, because my ID is broken already. Then why not using it instead? I can't expect this, everyone. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did to make me deserve this kind of thing in this world. Thank you so much again, YouTube, for letting me experience this thing. It's so awesome. It's so awesome. Trust me, YouTube. I am very happy with your gifts. Thank you so much, YouTube. I am very happy with my gifts. Oh my God. Thank you so much, everyone. By the way, I'm going to put you down there, so that it's my reward for all of you for supporting me on this channel. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to put you down there while I'm doing a video in here saying thank you so that I can upload it into my channel. There you go. This is what. Straw. Oops. Oops. No video po, baby. It's a straw. I'm going to use it tomorrow. It's a straw, everyone. Napatay ng video na, tamakanin mo. So, I love it! It's so static. Get from YouTube. Di get your sticker, naka-embossed dyan siya. Everything is embossed. I love it. Thank you so much.
So cute, Annie.
Pwede ka mama.
Pila ko din.
Ay, sir. Hold on, ma. Gift from YouTube.
So nice. Oh, wala pa ako nakaget over it. So. Dala.
YouTube. Ikaw.
Nakuha na to yung purple.
Yeah.
Send you.
Yay! This will be my new Tumblr for the whole year.
Kaya naman sa yung purple.
I'm not going to use it because I am very afraid to get a scratch or something, but I think I should use this one. Yes, can you get my Tumblr, the boot one, so that I can use it in here? So I can maintain the, Again, thank you so much again, YouTube, for letting me have this thing. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
Yeah!